डेमोक्रेसी और इस सदन में
सदन 15 मिनट के लिए
क्या है?
There shall be freedom of speech in parliament. And as per this constitution, we have the freedom of speech.
Today, in this August House, democracy is in danger, sir.
For some time, I am distressed by the way this sacredness was destroyed yesterday. When some members sat on the table, some others climbed on the table of the House, perhaps to be more visible in such acts of sacrilege. I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts. As I spent a sleepless night, last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this August House to hit such a low yesterday.
हमारे देश में जनता का हाल बहुत खराब है। 9 साल के बच्ची को ढेर मार दिया।
Parliament session is over, and frankly, as far as 60% of the country is concerned, there has been no Parliament session, because the voice of 60% of this country has been crushed, humiliated, and yesterday in the Rajya Sabha, physically beaten. We raised the issue of Pegasus. We asked the government to debate Pegasus. The government refused to debate Pegasus. We raised the issue of farmers outside Parliament because we cannot raise it inside Parliament. We raised the issue of price rise outside Parliament because we could not raise it inside Parliament. And today we have come here to speak to you because we are not allowed to speak inside Parliament.
जिस चर्चा के लिए हम 14 दिन से तड़प रहे हैं उसको तो आप अलाउ नहीं कर रहे और जिसको हम बाद में कर सकते हैं वो बिल ला के आप पास कर लेते हैं। अगर आप में हिम्मत है तो कराओ पेगोसिस
I request the other members who are standing behind her, standing with her, please do not disturb her. राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के नाम पर जो जहर घोला जा रहा है,
It is most unfortunate that पहले दिन से ही even when the all party meeting was going on, where Honorable Prime Minister attended the meeting and we all were there, from that day itself, that's on 18th, indications were there that we will not allow the house to run.
जो जहर घोला जा रहा है, पेगासस सर एक ऐसा उपकरण जो सबके घर तक पहुंचा दिया गया।
That till the time the house is not in order, no legislation can be discussed.
किसान, मजदूर, जनता, महिला,
No legislation can be discussed. What is happening is completely unconstitutional. It is
पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी और इस सदन में
सदन 15 मिनट के लिए
क्या है?